morning. Sundays are my favorite day to reset my life, and today I wanted to share with you my cozy and productive Sunday reset routine. I often find that my environment really affects my mental state. I think it was Marie Kondo who said, tidy space, tidy mind. So keeping a clean and organized space promotes a sense of calm and control in my life. Removing dust and clutter and mess clears out all the stagnant energy and gets me prepared for the week ahead. And if you think of your home as an extension of yourself, when it's clean and fresh, you feel lighter and more put together and ready for a new week. I always like to start my weekends slow and intentionally. We're always on the go during the week and the energy is high, so I try to slow down on the weekends despite Sundays being quite the productive cleaning day for me. Sundays set the tone for the entire week, so taking your time allows your nervous system to relax, reduces stress and anxiety. Also, practicing mindfulness, like for me, I walk Zoe, I'll make an aesthetic coffee, or even journaling, things like that, helps to ground you and help you start the day with clarity. Also, you guys know how much I love romanticizing small moments of my life, so Sundays especially, I like to take things slow instead of being in go mode. I'm doing a little slow and cozy morning routine for myself. Excited to bring you some of my favorite tips and tricks on resetting your space. Hopefully this video motivates you to get your shit together for the week. Definitely leave a comment down below if you enjoy this type of content, subscribe, and make sure you turn on that little notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Before we jump into this video, I have to say a massive thank you to everyone who commented on my most recent video, on my surgery video. Thank you guys so much for all of your love. I was really hesitant to post that because I knew I was going to get a little bit of pushback. So if you commented something that was unkind, that was lame of you. But outside of that, everyone was like super nice. And I really thank you guys so much as I embark on this journey of being more transparent and sharing more of myself to you. This is going to be like a lifelong challenge for me, I've realized. Putting myself out there in ways that make me actually feel a little bit more vulnerable, like getting surgery. The more you put yourself out there, the more authentic you are, the more you open yourself up to criticism. So I'm trying to just be more open to that, and I welcome the challenge from the universe. Sometimes I find that negativity or receiving negative feedback is actually a challenge from the universe. Like, okay, you want more eyes on you, you want to have more doors open, let's see if you can handle some criticism. So I welcome the feedback, especially positive feedback, but even the negative feedback, I accept the challenge from the universe, and nothing can derail me from knowing myself and believing in myself and my message and my creativity. So yeah, that's my little that's my daily self-talk for today. Once in a while I'll get a comment from someone that says, are you even messy? Please show us your life without it being like so organized. Today is the day. The loft is an absolute mess. I've been in recovery mode for weeks now, so I haven't been able to clean the way I usually do, so it's a massive cleaning day. I was gonna make an aesthetic coffee with you guys, but I'm actually back on my Starbucks chai lattes with soy milk, and I swear by this, if you've never gotten a chai latte with soy milk, it's way better than oat milk, I promise you. It's so delicious. I'm getting dressed. I got this one piece from Gymshark a couple days ago. I'm putting on some super long socks I got from Amazon. So since I had surgery, I haven't had any jewelry on, so I'm gonna put some of my favorite pieces back on with you. I have my everyday jewelry pieces that I always keep on, like this really pretty herringbone necklace. I got some everyday earring hoops, which I have been dying to get. Cute little ear cuffs from Ana Luisa. All of the jewelry I'm constantly wearing is from them. Adorable. I love the way those turned out. I'll probably switch them to both ears when I add more earrings on. And then last but not least, I'm tossing my Aura bracelet back on. This bracelet never leaves my wrist. You can get their pieces starting at $39, and they're also doing up to 25% off. You can find the link in the description box down below. Treat yourself for Valentine's Day or treat someone else. Huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Perfect, now I feel back to normal. So I like to clean a little each day to keep things nice and organized during the week, but Sundays are for a much deeper clean. I like to dust and sweep and take care of Zoe's dog hair. Obviously just clean the loft top to bottom. And as I mentioned earlier, physical clutter creates mental clutter, and removing it gives me mental clarity, I find, and helps reduce decision fatigue, making my space feel more structured and easy to navigate during the week. Also, cleaning just creates a sense of accomplishment, which will boost your mood and motivation and gives you a fresh blank slate wait to welcome new energy for the week. Also, the act of cleaning can be very meditative. I love to just put in my favorite playlist and zone out. It's usually like 90s R&B. Deep cleaning can often feel like a mindset reset because cleaning is a physical way of releasing old energy. Also, completing small cleaning tasks can trigger a dopamine release, making you feel more accomplished. I don't know about you guys, but I find that I just feel way better when my space is cleaner. It also just makes me appreciate my loft and my space a lot more when I'm giving it the utmost respect and keeping things clean and organized. Wow, I just took several hours to scrub down the entire loft. Feels so good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not the biggest cleaner in life. I should say I'm organized, maybe not so clean. Like, I don't do a lot of dusting and mopping and like really getting in there and like scrubbing things. Like, I'm not good at that kind of stuff. So I've been really making a point to do this every single Sunday, and I have to tell you guys, it is the best way to start your week fresh. It feels so good. Another thing I've been doing is a digital detox every single Sunday. I have my big calendar in front of me from Target, and I'll write in the campaigns that I have due, just like specific things that are due dates wise, and a to-do list for the week. But then I also do a digital detox, which you don't realize how much the excess notifications, the unread emails are adding to your daily stress. So I like to go through my email. I try to get my email inbox down to 0, which is pretty easy if you stay on top of it. Also, clear out any unnecessary apps. I go through my home screen on my phone. Also, cleaning out any unnecessary apps, organizing files, and reducing your screen distractions will help you improve your focus and productivity. And a clean digital space prevents overwhelm and makes your devices work for you instead of against you. I started doing this just like a digital detox. This will help you disconnect from any unnecessary noise during the week. Go ahead and use this calendar, which I loved. So I love this calendar because it has like a little to-do list on the side and projects. So I always write in like the campaigns that are due. I highly recommend planning out your week ahead of time. This will eliminate last minute scrambling and decision fatigue throughout the week. It also provides structure and a roadmap to reducing stress about upcoming tasks. And it also gives you a psychological reset. Your week feels like a fresh start rather than a continuation of stress. I've made it finally to the evening portion of my Sunday. Obviously, when it's Sundays, I like to do whatever I need to do beauty-wise for the week. Lately, I've been doing my own nails, which I talked to you guys about so much. I'm not doing them in this video because I just don't feel like it. Like, I'm so tired. I won't be going anywhere important, at least. Still very much in the healing phase. So no nail polish for me. It's actually been quite nice. I've been loving just like nude bareness. I have no jewelry, no nails before today, obviously. So I've just been like very rough in it vibes. Anyway, I usually will do a face mask, which I'm gonna do today. The face mask I've been loving lately is this Clarins one, the Facial Intensive Wrap. Depuffs, relieves, and brightens. So I'll do that today. I usually do a face mask. You know, every 3 days I might take an everything shower, but especially Sundays after there's new sheets on the bed and the environment is super clean, the loft is spick and span. I love to get super clean. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair. Something about having fresh sheets, like I have to wash my hair. It just makes me feel like so clean head to toe. I'm not going to include hair in this because I've already included it so much, but these are the 4 products that I swear by for my everything showers, and The first two are these two Dove products. If you have dry skin, especially in the winter, obsessed. The Dove body scrub, I'll make sure I leave these linked down below for you guys. These are my favorite products as far as shower goes. This is the best for exfoliating. And this, I noticed that I get such dry skin, especially after the shower. This is my favorite soap at the moment. It's the Dove Dryness Relief with jojoba oil. I barely have to even put on moisturizer after I use this body wash. A1, could not recommend enough. Also, this razor, I just found out about this company, Leaf Razor. These razors are phenomenal. I mean, this is like legit razor. Like, you unscrew it, you put the blade in yourself, and also you can get this Leaf shave oil. The shave oil is so phenomenal. Instead of using soap or shaving cream, to use like a nice oil on your skin. But yeah, that's my products for my little Sunday reset. For my Sunday self-care on your Sundays especially is a form of preventative care, and taking the time to recharge will help you prevent burnout. Having your own self-care rituals, doing your hair care, skincare just will improve your confidence overall. Also, prioritizing yourself one day a week will remind you that you deserve rest and care just as much as productivity. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this vlog. My camera unfortunately is dying. Definitely leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this vlog. Hit that notifications bell so you know when I upload, and make sure you're subscribed. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.